Let's summarize. Summarize. Summarize is retelling the story using key information. First, let's watch this video. Click the video to watch it. Let's summarize. First, we're going to learn somebody wanted, but, so, then. Somebody, who is the main character, wanted, what did the main character want, but, what was the problem? So, how was the problem solved? Then, what happened at the end? Let's use it in the story, The Princess and the Frog. Somebody, who was the main character, a beautiful fairy princess. Wanted, what did the main character want? To marry a handsome prince. But, what was the problem? He was turned into a frog. So, how was the problem solved? The princess kisses the frog. Then, what happened at the end? They lived happily ever after. Let's practice. Read the passage. Ben ran downstairs. He was so excited. His friends were coming over any minute. They were going to play baseball together. Son, said Mom. Mom said, I looked everywhere. I can't find your baseball bat. It must be lost. Ben sat down on the couch. He was sad. His friends would be sad too. They really wanted to play. Just then, Dad came home from work. I have a surprise for you, Dad said. He handed Ben a box. Ben ripped open the box. Inside was a new wooden bat. Now they could play after all. Think back to the passage and answer the questions. Somebody. Who was the main character? Can you think of who the main character was in the story? Ben, right. 2. Wanted. What did the main character want? To play baseball with his friends. But, what was the problem? His baseball bat was lost. So, how was the problem solved? His dad bought him a new bat. Then, what happened at the end? Ben and his friends could play baseball. How did you do? Let's do one more together. Read the passage. Adam was going down the slide when he spotted the ice cream truck. Let's get ice cream, he yelled. All of the kids at the park ran to the ice cream truck. Adam was first in line. He reached into his pocket for money. Oh no, he said. I don't have any money. Adam stepped out of line with a frown. I have money, said his brother Luke. Get back in line. Adam smiled. What a great brother. The 2 boys were next. 2 cones, please, one for me and one for my brother, Luke said. Think back to the passage and answer the questions. Number 1, somebody. Who was the main character? Adam. 2, wanted. What did the main character want? Ice cream. But, what was the problem? He didn't have any money. So, how was the problem solved? His brother Luke had money. Then, what happened at the end? Adam and Luke both got ice cream cones. How did you do this time? try this one on your own. Read the passage. Emma always chewed gum. She'd love to blow big bubbles. One day, a boy in her class said he could blow a bigger bubble. Emma wanted to have a bubblegum contest. She knew she would win. The two kids began chewing gum. The boy blew a big bubble. Emma tried to blow a bubble, but each time the bubbles popped. She was mad. The boy kept making his bubble bigger and bigger. It was so big that it popped all over his face. Emma kept chewing. She was going to try again. She tried to blow a bubble. That was her biggest one yet. It was her biggest one yet. Emma won the bubblegum contest. So think back to the passage and answer the question. Tell a family member your answers. 1. Somebody. Who was the main character? 2. Wanted. What did the main character want? But what was the problem? So, how was the problem solved? Then, what happened at the end? Check your answers. 1. Somebody. The main character was Emma. Wanted. She wanted to have a bubblegum contest. But she couldn't blow a bubble. So she kept trying to blow a bubble. Then she blew the biggest bubble and won the contest. Independent reading. When you're reading, think of the following in your story. Somebody. Wanted. So. But. So. Then.